Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the process of tracking customer churn using Monday.com. Let's jump right in. First off, let's create a new board. You'll find this option in the left-hand menu. Hit the New button, then select New Board. This is where we'll be tracking all our customer data. This step is vital as it sets the foundation for your churn tracking system. Now that we've done that, we need to add some columns to our board. Click on Add Column, and let's include details such as client name, subscription date, last activity, and churn status. The reason we do this is to have all the relevant information about your customers in one place. Next up, we need to input our data. This is a manual process, but it's essential to keep our board updated to track the churn accurately. Remember, the more accurate your data, the better you can understand why customers are leaving. Once we've populated our board, let's set up automation. Monday.com allows us to automate processes, so let's use that to our advantage. Click on Automate at the top of your board, then select Create New Automation. You'll want to set up automation that changes the churn status to Yes when a customer hasn't interacted with your service for a specific time. This helps us because it instantly identifies potential churn, saving us time and allowing us to act fast. After setting up automation, it's time to analyze our data. Go to Dashboards on the left menu, create a new one, and add a Chart View widget. Here, you can select your board and choose Churn Status as your X-axis and Count of Items as your Y-axis. This will create a bar chart showing how many customers have churned each month. This is important as it visually represents your churn rate, allowing you to identify patterns and take action. So there you have it, a simple yet effective way to track customer churn in Monday.com. Remember, the key here is maintaining a complete and updated board, setting up efficient automation, and analyzing your data regularly. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to check back for more tips and tricks. Until next time.